Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this great little card that I'm using for my June birthdays. I created this card using the Daisy Lane stamp set and the coordinating medium daisy punch that punches out this shape. And the great thing about this set is it also has a second punch, the daisy punch, that will work with this larger daisy. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. Okay, I am going to start by stamping this sentiment here in the bottom right hand corner. I'm using the Smile Sentiment and Mary Merlot, and then I'm going to bring in the fern image and my mint macaron, and I am going to stamp randomly around the card front using the fern. There we go. Next, I'm going to stamp my smaller daisy, the medium daisy here, in my Mary Merlot onto a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I'm making sure that I'm lining up the petals at the 12 and 6-inch mark so it'll fit into my punch easily, and there's no problem punching them. So I can slide my punch over them and start punching out. Because of all the petals on this, you do have to make sure that you're pulling it off of your cardstock smoothly so that you don't catch and rip those petals. There we go. So I've got my 3 petals punched and they are ready for later. And then I'm going to bring my daisy punch in again, and I'm going to punch 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm ready to start assembling my card. Okay, I'm ready to start assembling, and I'm going to take my Mary Merlot base and fold it in half, and then I'm going to add this beautiful piece of Rococo Rose to the front, simply adhering it down. And then I'm going to add my sentiment piece and add that to the front. I'm using my multi-purpose glue, and so I'm making sure that I'm not putting too strong of a line on this so that it'll ooze out underneath the cardstock, both around the flowers and the edges. That's just a little trick. When you're using the multi-purpose liquid glue, you want to keep it away from the edges. And now that I've got that on the front, I've added a mini dimensional to the back of my medium daisies, and I'm offsetting the petals so that beautiful Rococo Rose cardstock shows through. And the final petal. There we go. So let me show you the original again. Quick and simple, and punches are great for successful stamping. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. And if you don't already have a local demonstrator and would like a current catalog, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one. Thanks for joining me.